In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as semiotics. Semiotics is the study of the signs, symbols, and signals. Listeners and audience, today the topic which I have selected for you, it is about the difference between index and symbol. What is index and what is symbol? How they are different from each other. Listeners and audience, index refers to the type of sign which represents a thing directly. It is representing a thing directly and refers to a thing directly. It means there is a direct and natural connection between the index and the thing which it refers to. In other words, index is the type of sign which represent the thing directly. So there is the direct connection, natural connection between the index and the thing which it refers to, the thing which it represents. Listeners and audience, for example, whenever you watch or look at or see a thing and it's a real thing and it really represents that thing, that is called index. For example, you are going somewhere and you saw smoke. So really that smoke is the representation of fire. It represents fire, and there is a natural and direct connection between the smoke and fire because smoke represents what? Fire. Similarly, when you are going outside and you saw the footprints of someone, definitely the footprints of someone represent that someone, and that is human being. So you saw it, what? You saw it physically, and you know that it represents human being. Listeners and audience, on the other hand, when we are talking about symbol refers to the type of sign which does not directly connect the thing it refers to. It is not the direct representation of a thing. However, whenever we are looking at a symbol, we come to know that this symbol is the representation of that particular thing. Whenever we are talking about the definition of a symbol, we say that symbol refers to the type of sign where there is no direct connection between, for example, the word or between the symbol and the thing it refers to. I'm repeating. Symbol refers to the type of sign where there is no inherent or a direct connection between the symbol and the thing it refers to. For example, take the example of the word or marker, for example. Take the example of marker. Listeners and audience, you see this marker, this marker, it is a word. You see this word, so now there is no direct connection between this marker, this word, and this marker. Why? Because it is only a symbol for the marker. However, when you see this marker practically, In my hand, this marker is actually a referent because you practically watch it and see it. However, I'm talking about only these, for example, these letter and the word particularly. So this is actually symbol. Symbolically, it represents the marker. Another example for more understanding, for example, you see the logo. It's to Abba. You see the logo, for example, here in the logo inside you see like, for example, the moon, the star, and similarly you are also watching here some written sentences, for example, knowledge is power, etc. So now, what does this logo represent? For example, if someone is going to launch and inaugurate new school, definitely there will be a logo for that school. So for the first time when you watch it, you will be not aware. When you see it, you will not be aware about this. So the logo actually represents the school and it is a symbol for that school. So now the question is that now how we know about the symbol and how we know that this symbol is for that particular thing. We know it according to the context. As you know about the word bank, one bank word refers to financial institution and another word bank refers to the river side. So we know it contextually, culturally and historically. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.